Good morning, children, and welcome back to our class. Today we are going to learn more about what is global warming. In last videos I have explained to you what is environmental changes, what is known as weather and climate, and what is greenhouse effect or greenhouse farming. Today we are going to learn and read about what is global warming. Global warming refers to an unequal and continual rise in the average temperature, Earth's climate system due to the greenhouse gases. It occurs when certain gases in the atmosphere entrap infrared radiation, that is UV rays. This effect makes the planet warmer, which subsequently reaches to global warming. Okay, so some spelling mistake is there, that is M it is written there, you have to correct there and just write W there. So this is a small picture of global warming, how the earth is affected and what you mean by global warming. In deep, I'm just going to explain you, children. Global warming is a gradual increase in the earth's temperature, generally due to the greenhouse effects. Now in last video I have explained you what do you mean by greenhouse effects. Okay, it is the term used to describe the rising of the average temperature on earth. In other words, we can say our planet is heating up because of the effects of the greenhouse and greenhouse farming. Our earth is heating up day by day. Okay, so it is assumed that by the end of 21st century, it is going to increase in the earth's temperature of around 2 to 5 degrees Celsius. And this will change the climate as well as the weather more erratic. Now you can see there is a lot of change in the climate and as well as weather also, isn't it, children? Now, since humans have been burning large amount of fossil fuels such as oils and gas, producing huge clouds of carbon dioxide. You know that humans are just using so much fossil fuels, and because of that there is a cloud, there is an increase of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. So what happens, it's become harder for us to live on earth, forcing many species into extinctions and making life harder. So we have lots of problem, that is that we can't breathe. Okay, we are not getting a cool breeze, all the atmosphere is mixed up with the gases. Okay, children, now I will show some more pics of our planet earth because of the global warming, what the earth is facing. Is it, children? Now let's see. Now you just see the pics of the earth, how it is burning, isn't it? See, all the factors is affecting the earth planet. Moving further, I can just show that because of the smoke that is released from the factories, isn't it? Then our earth is burning, it's melting, children, it's melting. Further, because of the deforestation, you can just see human beings are cutting the woods, cutting the forest. Okay, so what happened? The gases released into the atmosphere during this process act like an invisible blanket, trapping heat from the sun and warming the earth. This is known as green effect, as I told you, because we are just releasing the gases, and because our earth, it's trapping into the heat and it is burning day by day. Not only that, the deforestation is another huge reason for global warming. As we all know that trees absorb huge amount of carbon dioxide from the air and release oxygen back into it. But humans are cutting down forests to make paper, furniture and to clear the way for the roads, oil mines, dams and habitations So what happened? Due to this decreases in the number of trees and forest, the carbon dioxide remains in the atmosphere and adding fuel into the fire, and this cause global warming. So hope you understood this concept. What do you mean by global warming? For that you have to read the textbook thoroughly. Do watch my video. Okay? Bye. Take care.